Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Robert and today I am bringing you to my week 1 unboxing, which I'm going to turn very slowly so there's no loud sound, for everything that is just there. Everything has arrived. It was meant to arrive yesterday, being Monday, but instead I got an email saying that 2 of the packages were going to be rescheduled for today, which is Tuesday, obviously. So yeah, I was expecting them to arrive, but they didn't. Oh well, doesn't matter. They've all arrived now, which is great, which is quite early, because I know a lot of people's items aren't going to arrive for the next couple of days. So I'm very lucky that mine have arrived now, but yeah, we're pretty much just going to get straight into this. But as per norm, let me know down below whether you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling what you picked up, and what size, colorway, or what did you get in general for week 1. If your week 1 orders already arrived, or if you went in store, what stickers and other pieces did you pick up, like the free gift gloves, and yeah. Other than that, let's just get straight into this, because we've got like 6 things to open, I think, so yeah, let's get straight into this. Okay, so obviously these are all of our packages, but I'm going to move most of them out of the way, purely because of what this first package is, which if you didn't see, well, it's from Adidas, so there are only like a couple of things that it could be in the end. But yeah, in this case, it's just going to be a pair of Yeezys, which are the Israfils, or yeah, is that how you pronounce it? I'm going with that. So yeah, it's a pair of those. Got them from the Adidas raffle, US 6.5, literally the normal size that I hit for most raffles. Those are really blue. Yeah, here they are. They're quite cool. They've got the same soft material that the Zeons or Zions had, so that's cool. And yeah, that's about it. So another pair of those to stack up with the pairs of Zeons or Zions that I have. So yeah, that's the one like random sort of piece that I have, which I will just hold on to for a little bit of time. I probably could have shifted it and got like £60 profit-ish, but it happens. Okay, so next up we have our week 1 orders, being these packages that are left over in the end. So this is somehow supposed to be 3 orders in 1, which I'm very worried about if they put any like free gifts or anything like that in there, or stickers in general. They're just going to be destroyed, because yeah, it's a box and it's like that. And then the other 2 are just going to be the other tees. So we're just going to go with the other tees first and go with the box last, and yeah, let's just get straight into this. I do have the scissors, but they're more so for the box than the bags, because the bags normally you can just tear open. Just like that. Okay, so there is a free gift. They're cool. Okay, so first free gift, pair of the gloves. Yeah, that's about it pretty much. I'm sure people have seen a ton of them, so there they are. We also have a sticker pack, which is going to be the tire sticker, the Stay Positive sticker, which are a load of mini stickers, and then just a standard box logo sticker. And yeah, hopefully I can get a camo box logo sticker, but we'll have to see. So the first piece is going to be my Pharaoh Sanders tee. Turn it over. There you go. So this piece I'm just going to hold on to. My brother said that someone had bought his piece that he got, and if I wanted to sell mine it was available, but personally I want to hold on to it because I think it's just a nice graphic, and yeah, the gold text and everything that goes on with it, I just think is I think it's just a nice piece overall. Like I said, I really don't know any of their music in the end. I'm not going to pretend that I do, but yeah, I just think that the graphic and the font to it looks nice. Also, that is so wonky. That is not even close to being straight, but yeah, there is the piece and the graphic, which again, people have probably already seen. So that is number 1 done and unpackaged, but yeah, I'm happy that I got it. It was one of the pieces that I really wanted to get. Unfortunately, the restocks just kept coming in, so I was able to pick it up. But yeah, I wish that I had got the pink like snow skateboard or pink camo skateboard that they dropped, just purely because of the fact that I liked only a couple of them, being the blue and the pink, but unfortunately I wasn't really willing to go for them. Which is probably just not a smart decision, as the pink colorway is something like £130 or £120 at the moment, which is a lot for a skateboard from week one to be like at that price. I'm really having difficulty with this, but for a skateboard to be at that price within like a couple of days or hours is quite rare for week ones, to be honest. So next up, making sure that I don't turn it to the camera. I'm so good at opening these. Right, we have another free gift, which is great. So we're 2 for 2 on the free gifts, which is perfect. So I'll just take more and more of them. And the sticker looks like it could be a box logo. It's not. Okay, all right then. So we've got the, I've been tricked. If I can move it to the side and hold on to it. So we've got the LVTHER sticker plus the Verify sticker. Verify sticker, cool, but I wish that that was a box logo sticker next to it, but I mean, we've nearly got all of them. I just need the Pharaoh or the Sanders sticker and the camo one, and then I will actually have pretty much all of the stickers from week one. But this tee is going to be a good one, or a good pickup in the end. That is really bright. This is going to be the Futura logo tee in bright blue, size XL, and yeah, I wasn't actually going to go for the Futura pieces in the end, or just try for any of them, but to be honest, when I just went onto it, clicked on bright blue and it had XL there, I just thought, why not go for it at the end of the day? And yeah, looking at it up close, it actually does look really clean and nice. But yeah, obviously this is another release of the Futura, like text being on a tee, and yeah, I'm not gonna complain. It's a nice piece. XL is definitely a lot larger than what I wear, but yeah, it's a cool piece at the end of the day, and the blue is really just clean, personally. So yeah, happy that I got that as well at the end of the day. Yeah, week one, I probably should have just picked up a couple more pieces. There are a couple of things like the water bottle, like I said, the skateboard deck, and a couple of other things that I probably should have got, because in the end it just gives more orders with more chances to get like the free gifts and stickers and things, which to be honest I love to just stack up on. So hopefully in the last one we can actually get what I'm after, but I've got that feeling that it's not really going to be that way, and that it's just going to be quite bad, but we'll see. Never cut towards yourself. As I cut the box open, brilliant. Oh, I've actually cut into the box, yeah. Okay, well this box is now useless pretty much. That's okay. So this should have 3 things in it, I believe, and a lot of hairs just all over the place. So, very crushed in. So to kick things off, we've got the stickers, or they're like, they are really not as like impressive, I suppose, as I was expecting them to be. These are like the name tag stickers, and yeah, it just comes like that pretty much, if it will focus. Like, it just arrives like that in the end. So yeah, I mean, it's another accessory to like throw with all of the others that are the like sticker type or label type, but wow, that is really not as great as I thought it would be. So next up we have the cards they released, the bicycle cards, the clear playing cards. These are actually doing extremely well, to be honest. They're at like 50 or so pounds, I think they are, like $70, and yeah, they're pretty cool. I'm not going to take them out for obvious reasons in the end, you know, you're just going to get a reflection of the camera, so there's no point, but yeah, there they are. Again, just a cool accessory to pick up. I picked up the Palace cards they released for the JCDC collab, and I thought, why not pick these ones up? My brother picked up the gold ones when they released and sold them on for a lot. So I'm hoping that at some point these will probably do the same, but I think they'll settle down for a little bit and then possibly go up. But that happens with a lot of pieces. But yeah, I'm still quite happy that we were able to get like all of this at the end of the day, because I'm normally not so successful for week one. Week one's normally like my kryptonite of just not going well in the end when it comes to weeks. So next up, we do have a free gift. Don't say that this is the box logo sticker. I'm not going to look at it yet. So we've got the free gift. As you can tell, it's sat in the box in the way that I was expecting it to. Is it the sticker? It is. It is a camo sticker. Okay. Okay. So we get the Sanders sticker, which is exactly what I wanted, and then we get the camo sticker, and I'm guessing there's one also behind it, which is just going to be a basic box logo sticker. But yeah, we didn't get the pink one, which I wanted, but we've still got one of them at the end of the day, and then we've got the Sanders one too, which is pretty cool just to go like that. That's pretty cool. But yeah, 3 for 3 on everything, 3 pairs of the gloves, 3 sticker packs. I wish I got the pink camo or one of the other camos, but yeah, we got the Verify sticker. We got them all in the end, so that's what matters. And then to finish it off, we obviously have the Verify tee, which yeah, I got in black large. I wanted grey large for the personal, but it didn't happen, so yeah, I just left it be in the end. There was one listed on eBay for like 50 or 60 pounds, but I just didn't go for it in the end because I thought, you know, I've got enough tees at the end of the day, so I'll just leave it at that. And yeah, this graphic is quite large. I think a lot of people thought it was going to be a lot smaller, but I think personally that the grey colourway is just the best one that it looks on, so, or it just looks best on the grey colourway, so yeah. Personally, if I was going to get one for the personal, it'd be the grey, but I mean, there's nothing wrong with the black colourway, but it's just, I already have a lot of black colourways in like tees and things in general, so it's just that switching up to a different one would have been cool. But yeah, I'm probably not going to be wearing any of these at the end of the day. They're either going to be stocked or sold at some point. The Sanders tee, I think I'm just going to hold on to for a long time, just because I think it is just a nice piece. And yeah, I can see the other two going up at some point in time, but personally for me, I'm just not going to be wearing them. So yeah, that will be that. But everything else is just going into the collection, obviously, as per norm. And yeah, that pretty much covers it. I wish that I got a pink or blue box logo sticker, but I'll take one at the end of the day. It's fine. I've got everything else, so I've got nothing to complain about. I just need to try and make this flat in the end because they shipped it exactly how I'd expect them to ship it. So yeah, that is going to cover this video anyway. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. Other than that, I will see you all next time, because I don't think Supreme is going to be this Thursday. I saw some tweets of people saying that it's going to be next week instead, so I'll probably have to have a different video out this week. I've also got another unboxing set for at some point and another video set for the weekend, so I just need one more video to do during the week, and then the weekend will be sorted. But yeah, other than that, I will see you all next time. Peace.